To strip the seepex SCT pump, you don't need to touch either the suction or the discharge pipework. Simply remove the 4 adjusting segments which hold, position and seal the 2 stator halves onto the pump. An additional benefit of the SCT pump is that once the top 2 adjusting segments have been removed, you can simply remove the top stator half to assist with blockage removal or to check on the condition of both the rotor and the stator. When the bottom 2 adjusting segments have been removed, the bottom stator half can also be removed from the pump. The SCT pump also incorporates a smart rotor. This has a quick release detachable geometry. The rotor head and universal joint remain in position, and by simply removing a circlip, support ring and locking plate, which is housed inside a groove in the rotor head, allows the geometry to be removed from the rotor head. There is no need to touch either the suction pipework or the suction casing. This can be seen more clearly using the smart rotor hand model. Remove the circlip with the aid of circlip pliers. Remove the support ring from the rotor head over the geometry, allowing access into the locking plate, which is housed inside a groove in the rotor head. Simply lift up the locking plate and remove from the groove. This then allows the rotor geometry to be pulled out from the rotor head. The fork on the end of the rotor geometry locates onto a press fit pin inside the rotor head. To change the rotor, simply push the new geometry back up inside the rotor head, refit the locking plate back into the groove, cover the locking plate with the support ring, and finally refit the circlip which holds the support ring in position. To refit the stator, simply push the bottom stator half into position between the 2 retaining rings. When the stator is in position, place the 2 adjusting segments into position underneath the stator half. Care should be taken to ensure that the 2 adjusting segments locate onto a machine nib on the retaining ring as shown in the video. Here we can see the correct location of the adjusting segments onto the machine nib. When the top stator half has been fitted onto the pump, the two remaining adjusting segments can then be fitted into position. The correct adjustment of the segments is necessary to ensure the correct clamp between the rotor and stator. To achieve this, we use a setting tool which is located in a gap between the adjusting segment and the retainer ring as shown in the video. Once all four adjusting segments have been set to this clamp at both ends of the adjusting segment, then the pump is ready for operation.